Unang laban po ito ni Wiljon Mindoro sa Amerika. Okay? Kalaban niya dito taga London, UK. Champion din ito noon. Kaya handa ka na, Wiljon. Pakita mo. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Gabi man dyan sa inyo or hapon. Basta magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Okay? Good day mga kahatawan. Mag-sports muna tayo ngayon kasi ang ganda ng laro kanina ng isang Pinoy, si Wiljon Mindoro. Kalaban niya si Goodjan. Hindi Badjan, ha? Hindi Badjan, Goodjan ang kalaban niya. Ito pong kalaban niya ay isang former boxer din. Pagkatapos nakipagbakbakan ito sa Bernacol. Kakatakot tong kalaban niya, no? Pero meron itong 13 na laban, 5 ang talo nito. Habang si Wiljon ngayon ay may malinis pa na kartada. Panoorin natin yung laban niya kanina. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. At saka mag-comment kayo kung si Wiljon Mindoro na ba ang hinihintay o inano natin sa malalaking timbang. Siya na ba yung magdala ng flag sa atin sa malalaking timbang? O yung Yumer Marshall natin na silver, si bronze medalist, si Yumer Marshall. Okay, tingnan natin itong laban ni Mindoro. Let's go.
Into him. Good John gonna hurt to the body now. He's getting hit with some big shots. Oh man, nice up.
Good John's got to shoot in between these shots. He's got to take away some of the confidence of Mindoro. I think comfortable throwing hard. You got to throw it between those hard, big shots.
Nice little start with the body shots from Champ. I still think he's struggling from that body shot a few moments ago.
Yeah, I agree with you there, Jen.
Trying to take a deep breath. He's the former boxing champ from the UK. He was returned to boxing and putting on those gloves, man. It's a different world. It feels so much better than getting hit with a bare knuckle.
Yeah, Jimmy, you said he's only 33. I was surprised to hear that. He's been around for a very long time. Look at 2012, 2011. A solid pro for him. Oh, good shot.
Nice uppercut.
Jimmy, I got to be honest. That's a bare knuckle. Lay down close every morning. Bare knuckles are cut, Jimmy.
Once your head start hurting, you can't throw hard. These boxing gloves, people don't realize there's a cast in there. And 8 ounces is light.
Yeah, I mean, they're basically midgets.
Magandang laban po ito. Naku po, malakas din yung kalaban pala niya. Eksperyensyado ba naman sa Bernacol. Titingnan natin yung second round kasi sa first round hindi mo pa maano talaga kasi pareho silang tumatama. Dito sa second round, tingnan natin ang kamay ng ating Pilipino kung paano niya matatalo itong kalaban.
Start up round number 2. 100% knockout rate for Mindoro. Good John, of course, in the distance.
Wiljon.
One he's scored 9 times in victory. Won by decision. He's 13 wins.
He's an 18-fight pro, showing that experience that he has. He's got the 6 bare knuckle fights as well. A ton of experience with good John, and trying to use that and take advantage. Also, he's back to the punch rock. A lot of times punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot.
Ayun, may dalawang lip hook. Mama sa blanco at 1-2 din si Wiljon. Goodjan, jab. At si Wiljon, Goodjan, at si Wiljon. Tama, hindi na tinamaan sa budiga si Wiljon. Balo sa si Wiljon. Pang lip hook, wakaigo si Wiljon. Ayusan muli kay. Jab si Goodjan pala. Wala, tira ka, jab, left jab. Jab si Mindoro. Ayun, left hook si Goodjan, tinamaan sa ulo. At para si Goodjan. Bang, tinamaan, left. Oh, ayun. Barag, barag, tira mo dyan, bang,
Not making himself easy starting.
oh, wala.
So it's good. Keep him going
Akala
back.
ko, yun na yun.
Start out with a good back around.
Kiritan sila. Good job naman na yun, si good job.
Kind of went back to it. I think that's a
Good job pala, good job. Ayun, tipsing ang kayang ano niya. Kapag tira mo dyan, tinamaan. Oh, bagsak, bagsak. Ayun, lasing. Lasing po ang Amerika, ang Kiwis. Ayun, pabira na si Wiljon ngayon. Atake ng atake si Wiljon. Pang, pang, pang. Tinamaan sa uppercut. Boom, boom, pang. Ay, bagsak ulit. Ayun, sikan ano tayo. Sikan knockdown tayo. Yun. Pero nakatayo ang kalaban.
Could this be it?
yeah, we got 30 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see if he's able to get out of the round.
Ilang? Lalaban pa daw siya, lalaban pa. Atake siya. Wiljon, bang, bang. Budigan, tira, bang, bagsak.
Fire and it's over.
Sabi na announcer, fight is over. Okay, hanggang doon lang ang kalaban ni Wiljon Mindoro. Patay. Tatlong knockdown. Tatlong bisis ata yung nag-knockdown. Pang-apat, pang-tatlo, in-stop na ng referee kasi yung maski yung second first at saka second yung first knockdown pwede na yung i-stop pero binigyan pa rin ng ng laban ng referee. So ayun, ibukbok og maayo, sige kulata, nakatilaw kulata noon. So shout out po dyan sa mga kabakser, mga bakser natin. Kailangan nyo talagang mag-training para may laban. Okay? Pag walang training, hingalin ka, naku po, tatakbo ka or hihinto ka. Yun yung doon sa na yan, boxing, mga laban na yan. Kailangan nyo talaga hangin. Yung hindi ka humihingal, ay putang na, humihingalin ka pag laban. Hindi ako naniwala doon kuhan. Oo nga, hingalin yung mga boxer pero madaling makarecover kung meron kang tamang training. Okay? Tamang training lang. Let's go. Shout out, subscribe, and comment down below para sa ating next reaction video. Type lang ninyo dyan kung anong gusto nyong para ipa-reactionan para meron naman tayong makuhang sunod natin reactionan. Okay?